Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 20 Congruency of Triangles Exercise 20A question number 2. And it says what? In the figure, AB equals to BD, AC equals to BD and AD equals to BC, which of the following statements is meaningfully written? So, you see that don't go by this figure that is there for the question 3 part. Don't go by this, right? We have to do the second question, right? So basically what's given here in the question, you can see here that it's given that AC is equal to AD. Fine, this is AD and this is AC equals to BD, right? So this is AC. Okay, this is AC and this is BD, right? So this is what it is equal to. AC is equal to BD. You can see here as well. How is it saying it here? Because you can see two dots or two dashes, you can say, are made on on AC and BC respectively. So you see these dashes that are made, they are made so that we get to know that the sides are equal, and so is for AD and BC as well. You can see again one dash is made here, one dash is made here, so the sides are equal in both the cases, right? So two sides are given to us which are equal. Then it says there are two statements that are written. First statement is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Fine. So this is ABC from here all the way to BC and then back to A, right? This is your triangle ABC. It says this is congruent to A, B and D. So from A all the way to B, then to D and then back to A. So these two triangles are congruent. That is what it means. Now we have to prove that are these two triangles congruent or not. Fine. So you see here that these triangles are not congruent. Basically, how do we know this? You see, I have told you in the very beginning that we have to write things in a proper sequence, and that sequence is not correct here. See, AD is the first side and AD is the first side. AB is the first side and AB is the first side here. In both the triangles, AB is the first side and it is common. So this step is fine. These two sides are equal. It is considered as equal because it is common. Then second up we have this BC and then B and D. So you see that this is B to C. This is BC, right? This is what? This is BC. You can see the black cursor, right? This one. And the BD part. This is the BD. This is your B to D. Fine. So you see both of the sides are totally opposite, right? They are not equal. They are totally different from each other. This means what? That these two sides are not equal. Thus, they are what? They are not congruent, right? And if you see the third side, that is AC, this one, and AD, this one, AC. Okay, I'll just erase it up a bit. Fine. So we have to check AC and AD. Again, same thing. AC this one, AD is this one. Again, both the sides are completely different, so they are not congruent, and thus the statement also is not true, right? Why not true? Because it does not fulfill the conditions. So this is not meaningfully written. So for the first one, simply you can write no, and then if you wish you can write the reason that the sides BD and BC are totally different from each other, and so are AC and AD, which are again totally different from each other. They are not equal. Fine. Thus it is not congruent, whatever you want to write it. Then ABC, triangle ABC is congruent to BAD. Again, first triangle is ABC, then we have BAD. So BA and D, this one, right? Now basically we are being tested with the problem of we are being tested with this sequence writing. Basically writing the congruency in sequence, in a correct sequence, in a meaningful sequence, right? So you see that first of all, again same process like we did in the first part, that is we checked each side one by one. Same we will do here as well. See, AB and BA. This is AB and that you can call BA as well. So again, side is common in both of them, so we consider them as equal, right? But you will say that the sequence, the way in which it is written is not the same. That is, first it is AB, second it is BA. So we can write it that way as well, until and unless it does not affect your sequence. Only we can do this if the side is the same, right? If the side is the same, then only we can write them in any order. If two different sides are there, then we cannot reverse their sequence, right? Then BC and AD. So this is BC and this is AD. Again, both are equal. It's given in the question only if you see carefully. Then AC and BD, right? This is AC, this is BD. Same thing, both are equal. It's given in the question, right? So the second statement is what? Meaningfully written. So I'll simply write yes in front of it. And again, if you wish, you can give the reason as well, because all the sides are corresponding to each other, or you can say equal to each other. Thus, they are congruent by this SSS method, side 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 method. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.